Mabuhay from the beautiful city of Manila. I'm back with for the channel Fragheads RX, and today I'm here in the beautiful place of Azure Residences. I'm here in my cousin's uncle's place, and it's a very good place to relax, enjoy, have fun, and swim around. So today I'm gonna review a fragrance from the house of Bvlgari. It's none other than Bvlgari Aqva Amara. So stay tuned. Bvlgari Aqva Amara was released in 2014, and the nose behind this fragrance is Jack's Cavalier. And for the notes of this fragrance, we have the following. On the top, we have Sicilian Mandarin. On the mid notes, we have Neroli, watery notes. And for the base, we have Indonesian patchouli leaf and olibanum. And before anything else, let's start first with the presentation. For the presentation of Bvlgari Aqva Amara, I have here the full bottle of Bvlgari Aqva Amara. Sadly, I don't have the box. I forgot to bring it. But I have here the full bottle. It comes in two sizes, the 50 ml and the 100 ml. Now, it comes with this typical bottle shape of Bvlgari. It is a round shaped bottle, and the nozzle can be found here at the back. And it says Bvlgari there. In front, it also says Bvlgari there, and the name itself, Bvlgari Amara. And on the back, you can see the name of the size of the bottle and the batch code. Here, you can find it here. And as for the sprayer, it goes like this. There. It sprays a big amount of mist. And that's for the presentation of Bvlgari Aqva Amara. So for the initial spray of Bvlgari Aqva Amara, I will spray it here on my right hand. For the opening of Bvlgari Aqva Amara, the opening notes, the starting notes, which is Sicilian Mandarin, is very prominent in this fragrance, and you add a little saltiness into it, which makes it a very salty, fruity fragrance. Now, this salty vibe is because of the watery notes, and when you add it on the Sicilian Mandarin, it produces this salty, orangey vibe, which is a very citrus fragrance, which is very applicable here in our climate here in the Philippines. Now, as it goes towards the mid, the Sicilian Mandarin is still there. It's really prominent. And what I can take note on this fragrance is the Sicilian Mandarin goes up to the end of this fragrance. At the mid, the saltiness starts to dry down. I can't detect the neroli. It's very mild. Yes, the saltiness is still there, but it dies down a little bit. And towards the end, the saltiness fades away. Sicilian Mandarin is still there. So for the development of this fragrance, it opens up with this very bright Sicilian Mandarin with a hint of saltiness because of the watery notes. Towards the mid, the watery notes starts to fade away a little bit, but the Sicilian Mandarin is still there. And up to the base, it's just the Sicilian Mandarin, which is a very citrus, refreshing fragrance. Now, at the opening spray, I was immediately reminded of this fragrance. Terre de MS Eau Très Fresh. The opening of this fragrance is somehow a dirty orange because of the notes of this fragrance, which is, I think, bloody orange, or it smells like the peel of the orange itself. It has, this Bvlgari Aqva Amara has resemblance to this Terre de MS Eau Très Fresh, but they totally differ as the fragrance go by. Towards the mid of these two fragrances, they go in separate ways. They only are similar at the opening. They are both citrus fragrance, both tangy. This has a darker effect to it because of the dirty orange vibe, the peeling vibe. But this one is a brighter one because of the saltiness, because of the watery notes, and Sicilian Mandarin. This is brighter, this is darker, this is dirtier, this is cleaner. So how many sprays do I suggest with Bvlgari Aqva Amara? I suggest 2 sprays only with this one. 2 behind the ears, because this one is a very loud fragrance. On the opening, it's very loud. You might cloy everyone that's within your range, within your radius, and you have to be careful, especially when you use it here, like right now, summer season, because it will be cloy, it will project. Guys, this fragrance really project. It will project about 2 arms length away. Everyone will know your presence. Everyone will know that you are there already because this one really projects. This is a projection monster. And any age group, for me, I can suggest it to any age group. High school, elementary, this is a perfect signature scent. However, unfortunately, because this is discontinued already, you might want to be careful with the trigger. You might want to spare some juice because this one is discontinued already. And I predict as the time goes by, the price will skyrocket high. It will be too expensive. And for the occasion, well, any occasion, this is a very versatile fragrance. You can wear this one anytime, any season, anywhere, any place. But I suggest that you wear this fragrance in the summer season, which is the best season to wear this fragrance. Summer season where it is very hot. It will project, people will know that you're there. Let's go now and rate Bvlgari Aqva Amara. For the scent, I will give this one a 9 out of 10 because this fragrance is a very loud citrus fragrance which is very perfect here in the Philippines. This is very compatible here in our country because Filipinos love citrus fragrances, and you will get lots of compliments with regards to this Bvlgari Aqva Amara. For the uniqueness, I will give this one about an 8 out of 10 because this fragrance, like what I've mentioned a while ago, shares some resemblance with Terre de Hermes Eau Très Fresh. They share this very similar orangey, zesty vibe. For the projection, I will give this one a perfect 10 out of 10 because this fragrance projects like a beast. It will project for about 3 to 4 hours. Now, for the longevity of this fragrance, I will give this one a 9 out of 10 because this one, considering that this one is an eau de toilette concentration, it lasts on my skin for about 8 hours, and that's a very good performing fragrance considering that this one is an EDT. And lastly, for the sillage, I will give this one a perfect 10 out of 10 because this fragrance leaves a very good scent trail. So for the overall rating of Bvlgari Aqva Amara, I will rate this fragrance a 9 out of 10. The final question is Bvlgari Aqva Amara prescription worthy? Definitely yes. Guys, if you're looking for a signature scent here in the Philippines or in any country which is hot, then look no further. Have this. Buy this Bvlgari Aqva Amara before it's too late, before you run out of this fragrance. Guys, this fragrance is already discontinued, and as the time goes by, the prices of Bvlgari Aqva Amara will skyrocket high. So while this one is still available in your local gray market or Fragrance X, Fragrance Net, or your local department store, grab this one already before it's too late, before this fragrance runs out. And if you're looking for a perfect signature scent, for a very versatile scent, then I recommend this Bvlgari Aqva Amara. This is a very versatile scent. So from the youngest of age up to the grown-ups, you can wear this one. And considering as well that this one is an EDT, eau de toilette concentration, which lasts long on my skin and projects well, guys, you can't ask for more. Now I understand all the hype about this fragrance. This one is a really good smelling fragrance. They call it the strength of the ocean, this Bvlgari Aqva Amara, and I agree with them. Guys, I agree with them. This fragrance is very prescription worthy. So to help me with this Bvlgari Aqva Amara, I have here my very good cousin, Daniel Ople, which you already saw on my previous video on my December Christmas special, where we smell Tom Ford Noir Extreme, Black Orchid, and he gave me a gift, which is actually the same as this one, but not Amara, Bvlgari Aqva Amara. So today guys, I have here again my cousin from Singapore, Daniel Ople, and today he will be smelling this Bvlgari Aqva Amara. So for the initial spray of this Bvlgari Aqva Amara, how can you describe this scent?
It's comparable to the gift I gave you.
Okay.
So after a while, it will smell like that. So it gives this brand. It has this brand, that smell of brand of Bvlgari.
Okay. So you're telling me that Bvlgari has this very unique way of their fragrances being salty. That's because the one Daniel gave me last December was Bvlgari Aqva Amara, which is very salty, and this Aqva Amara is salty as well.
Salty, but in a way
Citrus.
And as time goes by, this and aqua will smell the same.
With this Aqva Amara, which type of guy do you see wearing this fragrance?
Okay, my dad would definitely wear it. I mean, actually, he did have one of this.
So my uncle,
Yeah.
Tito Carmelo, this fragrance
Yeah,
way
it's
before.
Way before. He has like 3 of them, and then he finished it all.
I see.
It's
So
his regular
you're really familiar with this scent. You smell him all the time wearing this Bvlgari Aqva Amara.
Actually, I've sprayed it on me when I was in
Oh,
high
I
school.
see. So this is not your first time to smell this
No,
fragrance.
that's why it has this nostalgic feel.
Okay.
Yes. It goes for, my dad for sure. He's in the business district, so most of the guys in his age will definitely like this.
I see.
My age, maybe some. If you like a strong scent at first, yeah, you will like this. But if you don't like strong ones, and if you're in the humid train or something, this might not be the best fragrance for you.
I see. So which season can you see people wearing this fragrance?
Rainy season.
Rainy season, okay.
Rainy season.
And
It has the best smell in the rainy season. I mean, it got wet.
Okay.
And the smell is great.
I see.
So,
I
I
see.
think rainy season will be the best.
So if you will be given the chance to buy this fragrance, will you buy this?
I will buy it as a present.
Not yours.
Not mine.
your fragrance.
Not my fragrance.
Okay. And if you will grade this one from 1 to 10, how will you rate this fragrance? Bvlgari Aqva Amara.
I would rate it at 7.
7 out of 10.
The missing 3 is because it disappears. The citrusy smell disappears after a while. The smell of the Bvlgari, which will kick in like the same as Aqua, then it will stay.
So you mean the citrusy vibe will fade, but the saltiness,
The saltiness.
will remain. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here with Bishop,
Yeah,
and today he's a vlogger as well. And your channel is
no limit.
No Limit.
No limit.
So I will put the link down below for his channel and subscribe to his channel. And today I'm gonna let him smell this Bvlgari Aqva Amara. Is this your first time to smell this?
This is my. I've smelled. I mean, like I've tried different kind of Bvlgari, but
You haven't smelled this?
Aqva Amara.
Amara, no.
No.
Because this one is discontinued already. So
Wow.
I doubt if you have smelled this. So
I haven't.
I'll spray this in your left hand. There. So Bishop, what does that fragrance remind you of? How does it smell like?
You know, I had to close my eyes,
Yes.
feel this scent.
Yes, yes.
Reminds me of adventure.
Adventure.
Reminds me of adventure.
That's the first thing that comes into your
To
mind.
my mind.
Yes.
It took me like on a journey of freshness.
Oh,
So
very good description.
no cloud. Okay, no cloud. But really, it's nice.
Yes.
You need to smell this.
Do you know that this fragrance is termed as the strength of the ocean? Amara, strength of the ocean.
Freshness, I had to even close my eyes, just black out to be able to feel that, freshness, and I felt it.
Which type of guy do you see wearing this fragrance?
Any kind of guy can wear this.
So you're telling me that this one is a
Elegant guys.
very versatile fragrance.
Oh, I mean, if you, I think I have to get one of that because my
Oh.
girlfriend will like it. So
Definitely.
that's just one of the things I'm talking about. bro.
Yes. What age group
What age group?
do you see wearing this fragrance?
Your 14-year-old son can use it too, but I think it's just gonna get someone pregnant.
So any
So any-
age group can wear
I
this
mean,
one.
any age group can get it. It's nice. I mean, it's smooth. It's not harsh in the nose and all that, and it's just too fresh,
If given the
I
chance,
have to
will
get
you
this.
buy this fragrance?
I'm buying. I'll
So,
get it.
if you will
Trust
rate
it.
this fragrance from 1 to 10, how will you rate this one?
From 1 to 10, due to different preferences, I rate this 8.7.
8.7 out of 10. Thank you very much, Bishop. It's nice to have you here in my channel.
pleasure.
Subscribe
Thank
to
you
his
very
channel, guys.
Yeah.
Your
It's
channel
nice to see
again?
you. No limit.
No limits, guys. No
Thank you very
limits.
much.
Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat.
You heard my review. You heard what my cousin has to say with regards to this fragrance. So what are your thoughts with regards to this Bvlgari Aqva Amara? What other Bvlgari fragrances do you have in your collection? Again, leave your comments down below and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Fragrance RX. Again, this is Wedsa for the channel Fragrance RX, your fragrance doctor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and
Stay
stay fragrant!